Today we're going to walk you through the complete guide to copyright removal requests. If your content has been used without permission, this video will help you understand how to take it down effectively. Let's start with the basics. What is a copyright removal request? It's a formal request to take down content that has been illegally copied and distributed without your permission. This process is crucial for protecting your intellectual property. First, you need to identify where your copyrighted content is being used without permission. This could be on websites, social media platforms, or even in search engine results. Make a list of all the URLs and locations where your content appears. Next, gather evidence of the infringement. Take screenshots, record URLs, and note any other relevant details. This documentation will be essential when you submit your removal request. Keep all this information organized for easy reference. The Digital Millennium Copyright Act, DMCA, is a key piece of legislation that helps protect your content. Understanding how it works will make the removal process smoother. The DMCA allows you to request the removal of copyrighted content from websites and platforms. A DMCA takedown notice needs to include specific information to be effective, such as your contact information, description of the copyrighted work, location of the infringing material, a statement of good faith belief that the use is unauthorized, and signature. Submit your DMCA takedown notice to the website hosting the infringing content. Most websites have a dedicated process for handling these requests. Look for Report or Contact Us sections on the site. If the content is not removed promptly, follow up with the website. Sometimes it may take a few reminders to get the job done. Be persistent but polite in your communication. If the process seems overwhelming or if the content is not being removed, consider hiring professionals like Leak Content Removal. We specialize in handling copyright removal requests and can take the burden off your shoulders. Our team has the expertise to ensure your content is protected and removed efficiently. Protecting your copyrighted content is essential to maintaining control over your intellectual property. By following these steps, you can effectively handle copyright removal requests and safeguard your work. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. And if you need professional assistance, visit us at leakcontentremoval.com. Until next time, protect your content and stay vigilant online.